I can say is making money online is crazy, and it was never like this for me, by the way, guys. And I'm sure if you've made money online, you know the same thing. Like the first sale you make, it's like the craziest thing ever. You freak out. Dude, this is real, and I know I can replicate this. And then some people go on to just crush it from there. And some people go on, try new things, and trying to figure it out still, and they don't see success for a little while longer. And I was that way, because I started very young. I got my first sale on Amazon Associates, made multiple websites. I ran traffic with some of the stupidest ways ever. Free traffic sources that were like Pinterest and stuff like that. Horrible. And I'd run it to my site that was custom coded, because I knew how to code websites, still do. Partnered with a friend to do this. We built the site, Amazon products. So we listed them on there, very unique Amazon products. And we made a sale, and it wasn't one of the things we promoted, because anyone who buys something through your link, you get a sale for and commission for. It was like some book about relationships or something. And I won't forget that ever. It was like 12 cents that I got from that sale. And I was like, oh my gosh, this is real. Then I went on to do CPA marketing, which CPA marketing, as you know, I crush it with now, like super cash flow. And that's just from one traffic source, the biggest in the world, YouTube. That's just passive right there. I mean, I add new videos to it all the time. Entertainment videos, I got everything automated. I make the content a lot myself. It's so passive, and it builds and compounds on itself. And it's crazy. And you know, conversions come in freaking every minute. One of my most passionate topics I love, because it got me out of depression. The number one thing that kept me from being suicidal and depressed and giving up and stuff was like the desire to make money online. Like I didn't want anything else. I don't want to work for someone else. I don't want to have a job. I don't want to live a normal life. I don't want to be stagnant and not improve. Like I non-stop learn every day. It's like 6 hours per day. Especially in the past, it was 6 hours per day, every day. Every day, I mean, in high school, I had no social life, sacrificed everything. Making money online is truly a journey, and it's a very, very much so wanted thing in many people's lives, because so many people live lives they don't like. Like, do you like your life right now? Perfect. If you do, perfect. I would say most people, when they acquire the dream and goal they want, they're happy for a little bit, but then they want more. I can tell you right now, I'm going after big stuff right now in my life currently, and it will not stop. It will not stop, and that's what makes humans so cool. The best apex predator in the world is humans. We're able to adapt on a dime. We always want more. We're always curious. We're just powerful people, powerful creatures, powerful animals. How do you make money online? To make money online, the first tip I have to give you is, and I know a lot of people are gonna make money from this. Let's go.